would recommend Zumbro Valley Endodontics to anyone just because the experience was so much more comfortable than I anticipated.
Just the whole atmosphere made everything a lot better. Knowing how confident they were and developing a game plan so quickly, I felt very confident in what they were doing.
Zumbro Valley Endodontics is a place where you're going to see an endodontist with the highest level of training and certification and the highest level of care and integrity.
An endodontist is a root canal specialist, so we treat pain and infection within the tooth to help people maintain their natural tooth.
At Zumbro Valley Endodontics, all 3 of our endodontists are board certified. This is a rare feat for many endodontists. I think only 30% of endodontists in the country actually attain board certification.
We also work with children who have traumatized their tooth or have a cavity that gets close to the nerve, and in those cases, a lot of times we try to avoid the root canal treatment if possible and do something called vital pulp therapy, because doing root canal treatment on a growing tooth will stunt the growth of that tooth and can make it more brittle and decrease the lifespan of that tooth over time. We have all the latest technology, including digital radiographs, which have much less radiation than traditional radiographs did. We have 3-dimensional imaging technology in the form of cone beam CTs that we do now, which just one 3-dimensional picture gives us so much information, and it's about the same radiation as just 2 or 3 regular digital x-rays, which is a lot less than traditional x-rays were years ago.
At Zumbro Valley Endodontics, the procedure is relatively quick, it is painless, and we have people fall asleep almost every day. That wouldn't happen if this was a difficult procedure.
We try to create a warm and friendly environment for patients so that when they come to the office, it's not a cold and sterile environment. It's warm and inviting, more like a spa almost than a dental office. We have noise-canceling headphones and nitrous oxide and warm blankets and everything that we can to make them as comfortable as we can during the procedure.
We communicate through the doctors and through the staff on a daily basis with patients' general dentists.
We really try to approach this as a team, and the needs of the patient come first for that. We use microscopes, and we have cameras attached to the microscope so that we can take pictures inside the tooth when we see cracks or decay or interesting anatomy, so that really facilitates communication both with the patient and with the referring doctor office.
After treatment, we want patients to be able to return to their general dentist and say that they know they were treated with the highest level of care and that their doctor cared for them on a personal level.
I think I was just really pleasantly surprised that it was a pain-free procedure. You know, if somebody told me tomorrow that I had to have another root canal, I wouldn't worry about it at all. Everybody's really warm and friendly and happy to answer questions, and nobody ever made me feel like there was a bad question to ask.
I would recommend Zumbro Valley Endodontics because just their overall competency, I think, is the main thing, and just us feeling so confident coming into a place where most people feel so nervous. It's just awesome to feel like you're being taken care of and that they truly know what they're doing.
I love that what we do takes patients out of pain. Sometimes it's the worst pain of their entire life, and within a short period of time, be able to fix that. And so we're not here to pressure anyone. We just want to give them the information and help them in the way that makes sense for them.